RBD here at CDUSA. And right now I am joined by Poncho, Maite, and Christian. What's up, guys? How you doing?
Very, very good. Thank you.
Now, earlier, Becky spoke to the other guys about, how the album was made and the TV show. But what I want to know is some personal stuff. Like who in the band is the messiest person on tour?
The messiest? Well, I think it's me. Yeah, I think the messiest person is me. Yeah,
all right. The next one I want to know is who on tour gets the most homesick?
Annie.
Annie, yes, I think so.
Annie.
Yes.
All right, and then out of all of you guys, who is the biggest prankster? Who pulls the most jokes on tour?
Christian.
What have you done, Christian, that makes you the biggest jokester?
No, nothing. It's just that sometimes I like to laugh a lot and I do a lot of jokes.
But you know what? I mean, sometimes when you're on tour and maybe you have a problem or you're missing home, every time you have Christian to make life easier. I mean, he comes with a joke and he makes you laugh and it's good.
Oh, that's great. That's really good. When you guys are performing, you can see that how much love is between you guys. Do you ever have a disagreement?
Of course, yes.
And now what happens when who mediates when you guys have an argument?
Maite.
Not always. Sometimes, but I think that we have been making a very, very good job because we are like a family and we love each other a lot. So sometimes Poncho, sometimes Christian, sometimes I love you too.
These guys here in the audience were here first thing in the morning lining up for you. Everyone's following your every single move. You always have paparazzi around you. Do you have time for a personal life?
Yes, I mean, sometimes we are basically working all the time, most of the time. But the thing is that every time we go home, we try to spend the most time with our family, with our friends, which are the most important things in life, more than anything else. Those are the most important things in life, and those are the things that you're gonna take when you're not here living.
Maite, excuse me, one second. I gotta ask these guys real quick. Of all the guys in the band, who gets the most chicks?
Where's Christopher? Where's Christopher?
No. I think half and a half. Because the three of them are very handsome, so they have all kind of girls they want.
Guys, once again, give it up for Poncho, Maite, and Christian. Guys, what if I told you we were going to do another performance? Would you like that? Would you guys like another performance? What if I told you we were going to do a two-performance thing? You want two songs? They're going mad right now, guys. Listen, how about a fan-off? Would you guys like to actually have a chance to win RBD merchandise? All right. Well, guys, here it is right now. I'm going to give you RBD again on stage performing two songs. They're going to do This Is Love. They're going to do Celestial. You guys ready for that? Let me hear you say it. Here we go, guys. This is RBD.
It's so magical how simple it can be. For this love, for this sweetest love.
It's so simple and so easy when you know who you love, who you really love.
Is this real or is it a game? It's all we know, but everything has changed. Is it love? It is love. This is love, and you can't break.
enough to be the one who holds you. It's not enough to be the one you're close to. I want to be so much more. The love that you're living for, the air you breathe. I wanna be everything that touches you, everything. I wanna be the rain that falls on you, washes away the pain. I wanna be the sun that shines on you, warms your wood each day. I wanna be the sky that holds the stars for you, so you never lose your way. I wanna be the wind that kisses your face. I wanna be the rain. It's not enough for me to be around you. I wanna be everything that surrounds you.